You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it can be a little bit confusing, you'll understand why, but I'll make it very clear. So, in British English, it's pronounced as exalt. Exalt. Alright, it's almost more like an O sound. Exalt, with a stress on the second syllable. Exalt. Now, the Americans usually say it as exalt, alright, with a more open R sound. So, at the end, you do have those two pronunciations that are both correct. Exalt or exalt. In any cases, stress on that second syllable. And yes, both pronunciations are correct. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.